You know, this is the thing about 3D printed products. You buy them new and they look absolutely beautiful, but then you scratch the shit out of them and they look so much better. Like, oh my god, this looks amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this decal.
So, I'm going to be selling well-worn finishes, where I just scratch the shit out of your product, and you pay extra for that. So
just like scrape it on the wall here, and you're good. Alright, we're all loaded up. So you can use it like a regular caulker thing, and mind you, this one isn't ergonomic, so you should wear gloves because you are gonna roll your joints on these angles. But it's designed for aesthetics, not ergonomics. The main ways to caulk this are obviously just hold it with a nice, like, Doom style shotgun hold. And the other way is, of course, a pistol cock. You want to cock from up here. Yes, pretty much like that. God dang, this thing is so... So you're probably wondering what this canvas here is for. And that, of course, is to test the sight picture. Look at that sight picture. Alright. Damn. Alright, we're testing the sight picture now. Obviously. Yeah, so it looks like a pretty good sight picture. Got a nice shot on the canvas there. I'm gonna take another one. And we'll try a little vertical painting this time. We're out of gas. We're out of gas, bros.